So, how's it going on, everybody? Welcome back to iKHOMKODES. Okay, this is Python mastery course. How can we beginner to advanced guide, right? So let's dive in. Today I'll be sharing something about Python modules, right? A file containing Python definitions and statements is called a Python module. So naturally, the name. Naturally, the file name is the module name, which is appended with the suffix .py, right? This is .py. For better understanding, let's create a Python module to explore it completely. First, create a file name called printnumbers.py or something like that, right? So yeah, we have been discussing about Python modules, right? So we have been discussing about Python modules. Okay, now let's create a file, right? Python file. Let's say printnumbers.py. Right? Okay, we are discussing about Python modules today. Python modules. Okay, now let's define a function. Let's say print forward and right. This is our module. This is how you can print numbers to my module, right? So if you run this, you won't get anything. We are not getting anything. So yeah, this is our module, and now in the Python interpreter, you put this module with the following command. Right. Okay, so you need to use the command import print numbers, right? Okay, this module is set. Now let's try to let's say new.py. This will try to import. Now let's import print numbers, right? This module has to be imported here, and now you can simply use print numbers. You can call this function print numbers.print forward is up to 5. Okay, is that alright? Okay, let's save it, and is equals to print. Stop. Then let's print. Okay. Then print. This is how you can do that. Let's run it, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's also included here, right? So this is how you can import this module, right? Python module from print numbers.py to new.py, right? This is one of the most important things to carry out, right? So let's go to, let's say this is 3.2. Let's see. Section 3.2 modules, right? So here you can get all the things. 3.2 modules. So yeah, you can simply okay, so let's try it. You can simply import Python modules from the command line as well. Yeah. Okay, let's try to import Python modules from here, right? This command line. Okay, print numbers. Will it work? And you. Okay, import print numbers. Okay, the DOM import is not. Let's see what is whether installed or not. Right. Here we have all the installed things, but the input isn't here, right? So you need to install it. Install python Did it work? No, it is not working, right? Python.exe, yeah. New release of previous file 24. Okay, let's look at it because I'm using this. Okay, so you can simply use other options here. Okay, now we have just imported print numbers here. Now we need to use another function that is print backward, right? So using another print function that is backward. Okay, let's see it backward. It's just to print numbers. Print numbers, not print backward. Let's say up to 10 or something like that. Okay, let's do 10. And print forward. Okay, need to print backward, right? So let's print. Okay, you got 20, 19, 18, 17. This is backward, right? This is forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here backward 20. This is how you can use modules Python programming. Sometimes if the module is big, to ease the function calling, we can rename the import like, okay, import print numbers as or something like that. Okay, so sometimes you can use this, right? Is this code as well? Import print numbers as or something, right? Print numbers. Then you need to change this print numbers into bn, right? And another bn. Okay. And you got this, right? This is how you can do it. Okay, let's try to 10. Okay, this is how you see. This is forward and this is backward, right? Sometimes it is unnecessary to import all the functions to a Python module. We may need only one or two functions. In that case, we can use the following. We can use the import statement, right? Import print forward or something just like that. So let's say, okay, let's try another. Only forward, okay, we can take it forward.py, and in this case, you can import print numbers. Okay, you can import from print numbers. That is, you can only import only one function. Let's say, right, from print numbers. Okay, you can import print forward as pf, right? Simply pf. And now you can use pf dot. Okay, so let's say forward is just pb. Okay, pf. Let's say 5 after 5, right? And let's print it. Print forward. And let's run it. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you can simply make use of Python module, right? One thing to notice here, as we import print forward, it is included in the current symbol table, so we don't need to call the function like print numbers.print forward or something just like that, right? So this is how you can use. Okay, you can simply import print backward as pb or something just like that. Please let me know in the comment section how did you import print backward, right? So also, if we want to import all the names that a module defines, there is another variant for importing. This imports all names except those beginning with an underscore. But this is not ideal practice, as this introduces an unknown set of names into the interpreter, right? So Python modules, okay, built-in Python modules. We have a lot of built-in Python modules. Okay, let me take something, right? Okay. Oh, is this a way? There are a lot of built-in Python modules in Python, right? Okay, Python built-in modules. Let's simply say that. Right, so some of the important ones are various collections, and let's say another date time, and we have logging as well, and math. We have math module, numpy, os, pip, right? Okay, another system, and time, right? These are all the things. So you can execute let's see, we have the various modules in the command in Python cell get list of ARI, okay, the high level modules, right? These are the things. So what is the difference between Python module and package in Python? Python module and package. So Python package, these are some of the frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions on Python modules. So difference between Python module and Python package. Python package is a collection of Python modules, whereas Python module is a single Python file. Whereas Python package is a directory having multiple Python scripts and init.py file defining the package details, right? So Python package is a collection of Python modules. Python module is a single Python file, whereas Python package is a directory having multiple Python scripts and init.py file defining the package details, right? So where can I find the Python module list? You can find the Python module list from this official website, right? You can simply open a new tab, right? These are all the Python modules that you are, that is built-in function, right? The Python module index, jet tab, future, main, trade, base 64, and so on, up to jet. Okay, we have gpath, gfile, greport, gleave, zoneinfo, and so on, right? These are all the things. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for your presence and support. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Python tutorial. Until then, let's take a break. See you in the next episode.